Good morning from Georgetown, Penang.
Good morning! Hi!
Guys. Good morning. So yesterday we wandered around the streets looking for street arts and we found a lot. Sandra was our photographer for the day.
The best one.
And today we are going to show you guys a variety of cultures over here. You've got Muslim, Indian, Chinese and European. So this place is unique. We came to see Capitan Mosque. This was built in 1801 by the first Indian Muslim settlers in Penang and makes it the oldest mosque over here. We're just waiting for them to end the prayers in 10 minutes and we're gonna visit. I don't know about
Me and Sandra,
Yeah.
I don't think we'll be able to see it.
shoulders need to be covered.
And knees.
Yes. If they got something to cover, you should be okay. If not,
And hands.
Yes.
We'll try it.
yeah. We allowed in?
We are allowed in. We
Yeah.
have to change. They
Yeah.
told us it was okay.
Ah, cool.
My girlfriend Luxembourg. Yeah. Thank you for the money.
Everybody says that.
Finally, you are leading in the financial banking.
And we're from Portugal.
Portugal.
Yes.
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Of course. That's the first thing they say, isn't it, Cristiano?
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Huh? Eusebio. That's from Benfica. Yes. You know Benfica?
Yeah, I know this big of club.
No, Benfica. You know Benfica?
Benfica, you know?
Yeah.
Porto, Benfica.
Exactly.
Lisbon.
Yeah.
Have you been to any other mosque in any other country? Malacca?
Never.
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 If you go to any mosque in the world, any mosque, be it in Europe, be it in Africa, be it in Asia, you will find two similar things. Every mosque will be built in the direction of Mecca.
Yeah.
We pray towards the direction of Mecca, the Kaaba. So another one thing is, you won't find any picture, portrait or idol inside the mosque. Do you know why?
No.
Because Allah say in the Quran, the God say in the Quran, no vision can grasp me, but I
Okay.
can grasp every vision.
Okay.
So if you look closely, the one who is creating the images of God is human being. So that means we are worshipping our own creation rather than the creator. Do you know what is the meaning of Muslim?
Muslim.
The meaning of Muslim.
The word.
No.
A Muslim means a person who submit or a person who surrender his will to one true God. He's a Muslim.
Can I ask you why men pray in one room and women in a different room?
Because the first reason is the God say you pray separately. You pray. As I told you, Muslim means a person who surrender. What God say we follow. That's the first reason.
Yes.
You can ask why you pray 5 times a day. Because the God say pray 5 times a day. You pray. First
Okay.
reason, that's the first reason. After that, okay, regarding this question, it's a logical answer only. When we pray, we stand like this. Every Muslim stand like this, we touch each other. So we are in front of God, we need full concentration. Let's see, I'm standing with the woman, I can't concentrate.
Okay.
We are attracted to opposite sex.
Yes.
It doesn't mean you will
It's just to concentrate better.
concentrate.
Yeah.
Yes, sit down. No problem, man.
Yeah.
Baca surah Fatihah.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين. And everyone must follow the Quran because it is comes from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
Okay.
Muslim, that is the center to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Nothing but Muslim is the word.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Okay, thank you very much. Goodbye. Bye bye. It was nice to see the views of Muslim culture.
Most of people are afraid of the religion, but
Looking for nature.
they're just people believing in a God, just like any other religion.
So we're going to visit now the temple. We just visit the mosque on that side of the street and the Hindu temple just across. You can see that over here they've learned to respect each other, and that's how the world should be. Believe in whatever you want to believe, but just respect other people's cultures and beliefs. We're just approaching Sri Maha Mariam. It was the first Hindu temple built in Penang in 1833. Have a look. Now we're going down the roads, we're going to Little India.
Little India, here we go.
Are we in India?
You might.
How insane is this? Cross the street, you're in China, cross another street, looks like in a Muslim country, another street, Europe. This has it all. If you're not sure where to go and want to experience a lot of cultures in one place, you come to Georgetown. It's a place for you.
You can't see, but João, when he's talking to the camera, he's always using his hands, doing this all the time.
Like parla italiano, use your little hand, you know?
Always doing
use
like this.
Uso porta parmesana on a pizza. So we've showed you already a mosque, Chinese temples, Hindu temples, and now it's time for the European with a church. It's called St. George's Church. On the other side of the road there is looks like Greek architecture with all the pillars. What are you fancy now?
Durian.
And there's a lot of durian here.
Spiky.
How does it smell?
Horrible.
This is the smelliest fruit in the world. And Christiana, she's going for it. What does it taste like?
I don't know.
Durian.
Durian, yeah. This fruit is not allowed in most of hotels because it smells so bad. But for me, it's okay.
It does stink.
So let's go, João. Try.
It's spiky. Here we are.
It smells.
It stinks. I'm not going to say the word, but it does stink. Cheesy, yeah.
It's not good, huh? It is good.
It's okay. It's okay. It's not. It doesn't taste what it smells, but it's
Still okay.
Yes.
So today is our last day in Georgetown. Well, last night, it's already dark. And we'll be visiting the city every single day. There's so much to see around here, on the streets, everywhere. And tonight we're going to show you what the city has to offer in terms of food. Let's go. So we just stopped to get a drink. Show us what we're having.
Some grape juice.
It's not wine, guys, it's just grape juice.
If it was wine, we would not say no, as we're from Portugal, from Alentejo, and I have to tell you, it's one of the best wines you're ever gonna taste. It's from Alentejo. And with
a bit of publicity.
from Capsão, my hometown. As you can see, there's a lot to choose from Chinese to Indian. You've got it all over here. We went for Indian foods, as we're a bit fed up of rice and noodles, so that's why we've been going there every single day to have some Indian foods, and it never disappoints us. Tomorrow we're leaving, we're going to another city, so we see you on the next one. Goodbye.